Hello, today's topic? At the art gallery.
Hello. Welcome to the art gallery.
Hi there. Thank you for having me.
It's my pleasure. Are you a fan of art?
Yes, I love immersing myself in creativity.
That's wonderful. What type of art do you prefer?
I'm particularly fond of sculptures and abstract paintings.
Interesting choices. Have you visited galleries before?
Yes, I enjoy exploring different art venues.
Great. You'll find a variety of artworks here.
I'm excited to see what's on display.
Shall we start with the modern art section?
Sure, let's begin there. What can we expect?
You'll find contemporary paintings and mixed media pieces.
Sounds intriguing. What about the traditional section?
That's where you'll find classic portraits and landscapes.
I see. Do you have a favorite artist?
I'm quite drawn to Picasso's Cubist style.
Picasso's work is truly unique and influential.
Indeed. His perspective on form is fascinating.
Absolutely. How about you? Any preferred artists?
I have a soft spot for Dali's surrealist masterpieces.
Dali's art is surreal indeed. It sparks imagination.
Indeed. Let's delve into the world of art together.
I'm looking forward to it. Shall we begin?
Vocabulary.
Art. Gallery. Immersing. Creativity. Sculpture. Abstract. Painting. Explore. Variety. Artwork. Modern. Traditional. Portrait. Landscape. Artist. Influential. Perspective. Form. Soft. Masterpiece.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.